I welcome you all back to my channel Infotainment, and in this video I would be showing you how to use two operating systems, that is one is Linux and the other is Windows, on the same system without dual booting the system. So I would be using workstation and I would be accessing the virtual drive through it, for which I would be using the VMware workstation. So you can just type VMware and go to their website. It is free of cost. Okay, so once you visit their website, however, I will be leaving the link of this in the description below. So you have to click on downloads, then free product downloads, then workstation player. Then over here you have to click on try workstation 15.5 player for Windows, and you just have to click on download now. The download would start. So there is a 138 MB file which I've already downloaded, so I'll just cancel the download for the moment. However, you guys have to wait until the download completes, and then you guys have to open the downloaded file. So this is the file which will be downloaded, so you just have to open it. And the installation starts. I accept the terms and then just click next, 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 and install. This may take some time. In the time being, let us see how to download the Ubuntu. So to download Ubuntu, you just have to Google Ubuntu download. Okay, so then you get the first link, you just have to click on it. However, I will be leaving the link of this in the description below as well. So here the various versions of the Ubuntu, whichever you want, you can select. That is 18.04.4 LTS or 19.10, and there are multiple versions based on your requirement. You can select it. You just have to click on download, and the download begins. This operating system would be used for loading onto the virtual drive, and I have already downloaded one of the versions of Ubuntu, so I have just cancelled the download. If you guys want it, then you just have to wait until the download completes. So now let's see. Okay, so you just have to click on finish. Now you guys can see the VMware workstation 15 player over here. Just click on it. Once the VMware workstation 15 player opens, since we don't have any workstation or virtual machine created right now, so I will be creating a virtual machine. Just you have to click on this. Now what you have to do is you will have to select the ISO file, that is the Ubuntu file where you have downloaded. So I just click on browse, and then I have stored my Ubuntu ISO file in this, so you can just skip this version. Okay, so I have stored my Ubuntu ISO file in this path, so I just go here and open it. So here you have to ensure that the correct file is selected, and now I just click on next. So here I'll just enter my name, Saurabh Bhatt, then Saurabh. Here one thing you need to ensure that the uppercase letters are not allowed. So the password I just give it as 123456. Then click on next. And yeah, the name of the virtual machine also you can change if you want. So I don't wish to change, so I just retain it. Okay, so the maximum disk size is 20 GB by default, which is more than sufficient. So therefore I just click on next and finish. So there you go. The virtual machine is created, and I'll just make this full screen. So I just click on the manipulator. Okay, so now the Ubuntu is getting booted. So once you're done with the installation, now you're good to go. So it reboots itself for the first time. So now I'll just enter the password, and that's all. You are into the virtual machine, and you need not worry about the resolution of the screen. It can be varied by going to the settings in Ubuntu. Now you are good to go. You can use the virtual machine. Now, in case you are done with your usage and you wish to close it, then you just have to click here and click on shutdown, and just click on shutdown. This will only shut down your virtual machine, not your Windows or any primary operating system. So you can just click on OK. Fine. So there you go. You're done with it. So now when you want to open it again, the task is pretty simple. You just have to open the workstation player, and once the workstation opens, you can find your virtual machine over here. Just click on it and click on play virtual machine. That's all. So again the system boots and you just have to enter your password and then you can start using it. Okay, so this it keeps asking, so you just have to click on remind me later. Just put your password, log in, and then you can continue to use. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you have liked it and found it informative as well. Please press the like button and share your valuable comments in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed for my channel yet, then please subscribe so that you will be notified when I upload such informative videos in the future. Thank you.